This is how you're going to upload website to Hostinger, host and publish HTML files. If you have a static site like HTML, CSS, or JS, here's how to upload and publish it. So for this, you're going to log in to Hostinger. So you're just going to head over to hpanel.hostinger.com. And then from here, you're going to head over to the left side panel right here and then head over to websites. Now you're just going to click on websites and then click on the dashboard for your domain. You're going to have to open File Manager or use FTP, navigate to public HTML. This is your web root folder. Upload your HTML, CSS, JS files, and folder structure like index.html should be in root. Make sure it index.html or index file is present. Hostinger will serve that as default. If there's caching, purge cache, or refresh in each panel. Visit your domain in browser to check it is live. If you're using a subfolder or custom folder, you may need to configure redirection or adjust site settings so the correct folder is served. And that is how you're going to upload website to Hostinger, host and publish HTML files. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.